So right now we have three functions here. First one is a full feature editor wherein you can edit your video in maximum potential of the software. And the second one is the easy editor wherein the software will edit it for you. Just you will put some clip on it, and then some recommendation will be given by the software. And the last one is the 360 editor. I don't know this feature, but I think this is a feature wherein you can edit your video in 360 degree, something like that. So for now, I will highly suggest to click this full feature editor because these features allows you to edit and some changes despite of using this. This one is have a lot of more potential than this. But anyway, okay. Yeah, you can see loading. Okay. So this is your pictures, videos. And some of them are 360 videos. So when you click this video room, uh, the power director will give you a recommended video. Some of them are standard video. If you want to see a picture only, then click this and this. So it will only give you a picture. Then if you want to see only the videos, so just click here. Only this function has blue color. Then if you want to see a music file only, then just click here. As you can see, it has a audio network something. You can download some free. I think this is a free, I don't know. So if you want to import some of your videos, click here, video files. For example, this one. So as you can see, import, just like I said earlier. And if you want to import some folder, and then you put your some video in there in the folder, just then click that. I will find some video. Here it's props. There you go. Okay, as you can see, all the files in that folder are here. If you want to edit your video, just simply put your video over here. And if you want to see the details, how many seconds of that video, you can just simply drag here and here, and that's it. The next one is the effect room. What the effect room does, it will give you your video some effects, some like this one. If you want your video has some grid, then that's it. Oh, it's so noisy. As you can see, it has a grid. It's so noisy. Okay. Then you can choose any of these effects. This is a standard effects given by this software or PD15. You can put your effect room here in this table, this panel. See, just like this. The next one is the pip object. So what is this? For example, you have let's find some good picture over here. This one. Let's delete this one. How about this one? And you want to put some object, this sample. Okay. So you can see it's there. So how can I move that into this position? Simply just double click it, and if you want to resize it, we'll move it. If you want to rotate it, rotate it. This one, this one, this one. According to your taste, I don't know. Maybe you can put this one. Just like vroom, vroom, vroom. Cool, isn't it? Then just say okay. And that's it. As you can see, it's there. The third one is particle room. This particle room will give you some particle. What's it? What can you expect? You put it here. You can edit how long it will be. Depends on you. You want same as the duration of this picture, and go it and trim it just like that. Hold it and just edit. Let's see. Oh, that's good, isn't it? The next one is text. So how you will put some text on your video or pictures that you in editing. Let's try this one. If you want to put some, oh, I'm lagging, sorry. Okay, if you want to put some text on your video, and simply set. Let's wait. Go with me. Move it over here and rotate it. Here's it. Rotate a little bit. That's it. And you want to put some text over there, just simply click this, and just like we did earlier, and the text. Notice me by. If you want to edit the size, it's just like Microsoft Word. Function. Sit. Oh, sorry for that. Then move over here and move a little bit here. Oops, I'm sorry. Get black. How we can change the color of this? Okay. There you go. I'm going to change the color and go for black. That's it. I don't know how you will put here. I don't know how to put your screen over here so that you can see the right position of your text for you not to guess where the right position you will put it. But anyway, I think this is the right position and you will get some basic function of it. Let's proceed to the next function. The next function is transition. What does the transition do? It will give you some effect of, the, of your videos. By the way, I'm putting some pictures here because I have a little bit slow PC. I think uh, pictures will give me a fast run just like that. And let's put some picture over here so that we can put some transition. What this transition do? You put some over here, the middle. Then when this video reach this position, it will blur and play the next video. How cool is it? You will choose a variety of choices over here. And this one is for microphone. This is a feature wherein too much complicated for the basic. Let's just pass this. So next is microphone. This function, a voiceover recording, this function allow you to record while you are editing videos. So when you click this red button, and you can speak whatever you want to say, and after you click that once, and after you're done, click it again, and the file will go over here. That's it. And this one is the next one is chapter room. And I think this chapter room gives you indicator where this video are being chapter, just like a book. For example, this clip is chapter 1, this clip is chapter 2, so on and so forth. So the last function is subtitle room. So how this thing works? Make sure to, for example, put plus. Okay, I'm wrong. I'm sorry. For example, you want to put some subtitle in this time. All you have to do is add. Now you can edit here the exact time you want to put subtitle. And I just want 3 seconds for this subtitle. Editing, editing, and that's it. I can change the color of that format. Simply click here. You can see the sample, and I don't want to mess this up. This is fixed for me. So you got the idea, right? So just if you remove it, just minus it. So if you want to, the last one is if you want to edit the volume of your video. For example, this one, you want it to make a little bit louder, just simply make this up and this up. So I will not speak, you will hear it loudly. So highly advised to lower your volume. So I will play it now. So you can put your up. So that's it. So if you want to make it from low volume to high volume, just simply make a little bit line to high line, just like that. so I will not play it. Get the idea? So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something about in my video rather. And thanks for tuning. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. If you have some question, just leave a comment and I will try to answer your questions. Have a nice day and babush!